Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a computer class for class 3 students. Our today's topic is Chapter 8, Directions and Logo Discussions. And this is very special class for you, Lecture 3 of annual term. And after this class, I will give SW. Okay, so that's why this class is very important. So open your book, computer book, and go to page number 54. So let's start the class. Chapter 8, Directions and Logo. In this chapter we have 4 characters. One is Captain Logo, and one is his friend Turtle. Look at the word turtle, means tortoise. And 2 bunnies. The bunny means hare. So turtle means tortoise and bunny means hare. We have 4 characters on Captain Logo, 2 bunnies, and Captain Logo's friend tortoise or turtle. So let's start the class. Chapter 8, Directions and Logo. The turtle wants to get the treasure. The meaning of treasure is wealth, property. The treasure is in front of the turtle. The turtle has to move forward to get the treasure. The treasure is in front of the turtle. The treasure is behind the turtle. The treasure is behind. This arrow mark is a sign of behind. The turtle has to move back to get the treasure. So this is the directions has been given by through this arrow mark. Next one, the treasure is to the left or right of the turtle. So this is the turtle left side. So to the left of the turtle. The turtle has to turn left first and then move forward to get the treasure. This one, the treasure is to the right side of the turtle. The turtle has to turn right and then move forward to get the treasure. And this line is very important for you. This chapter is an introduction to the logo language. So logo is one kind of language. This is very important for your MCQ. What is logo? Logo is a dash. Logo is a language. Okay. A language is especially developed to teach the concepts of computer programming to children. So if the question comes, logo is a language especially developed to teach the concept of computer programming to dash children, oldest, middle-aged. So the answer will be children. So logo is language. It has been developed for the children. We will move to next page. So underline this line very carefully. The treasure hunt. Last year, Captain Logo and his friend the turtle found a treasure in a forest. 2 bunnies living in the forest helped them find the treasure by giving clear directions. So Captain Logo, and who is Captain Logo's friend? Underline this word very carefully. His friend Turtle. Captain Logo, who is Captain Logo's friend? Turtle. 2 bunnies living in the forest helped them. Who helped them? Captain Logo and the turtle? 2 bunnies or 2 hares. Okay, underline those lines. Captain Logo and the turtle went to the forest once again to find another treasure. They put up a tent at one place and called it home. So this is a tent, and they call this tent home. Very small. Can you look in capital letter HOME? So this is their home tent and they called it home. They put up a tent in one place and called it home. This is very important. There they made the same bunnies and asked them, can you give us the directions to another treasure? Sure, said the bunnies, here it is. So this is the directions. Walk forward, turn right, Work a few steps back. How many steps didn't clear? Turn left. Work a few steps forward. Turn right. Work some steps forward. Turn left. Again walk a few steps forward. So this is the direction. The direction isn't clear. Okay. The bunnies then disappeared into the forest. What is the meaning of disappeared? Disappeared means invisible. Okay. Now Arif sir is appeared in the picture. Then Arif sir is disappeared now. So disappeared means vanish. Okay. Captain Logo and the turtle were confused. Why confused? Because the directions were not clear. They didn't know how to find the treasure. The directions were not clear. They went in search of the bunnies. They found the bunnies after a long time. You didn't give us clear directions, complained the turtle. So who complained in the chapter? Directions and logo. Who complained? Mr. Turtle complained. What is wrong? Asked the bunnies. You didn't say how many steps forward or back we should take, said Captain Logo. So he didn't mention how many steps forward or back we should take, said the Captain Logo. Okay, we will move to next page. All right, said the bunnies, here are proper step-by-step directions. So we should give the directions step by step. This is very important. We should give the direction step by step. These steps will take you to a mango tree with a hollow trunk where the treasure is kept. So treasure is kept a mango tree with a hollow trunk. Hollow trunk is a vacant trunk. The treasure is hidden there, said the bunnies. Okay. Captain Logo and the turtle were very happy. Captain Logo wrote the directions on a piece of paper and gave it to the turtle to follow. But the turtle couldn't read very well. This is the directions. Start from home, walk 20 steps and turn right. Walk 10 steps back, turn left. Walk 6 steps forward, turn right. Walk 4 steps forward, turn left. Again walk 20 steps forward. The turtle says, look, I cannot understand what you have written. So Captain Logo wrote the directions in a simple language which the turtle could understand. He wrote. So Captain Logo wrote the directions in a simple language. So start from home, home, the capital letter, walk 20 steps forward, look at the directions and directions were all capital letters and this the steps. Walk 20 steps forward, forward, capital letter all, 20, turn right, right, walk 10 steps back, back 10, turn left, left, walk 6 steps forward, forward 6, turn right, right, walk 4 steps forward, forward 4, turn left, left, walk 20 steps forward, forward 20. So this is the directions and look at the directions. All are capital letters. Okay. So the turtle says, wow, this language is so simple. I can follow it so easily. I will call it the logo language. So if the question comes in the exam, who named the language logo language? Mr. Turtle named the language logo language. Then we move to next one. They set out to find out the treasures. They followed the directions step by step. They set out means they started. They reached the mango tree. Captain Logo jumped inside the hollow trunk. So Captain Logo jumped inside the dash. It will be hollow trunk. Underline. We will move to next page. Hooray, we found the treasure, the turtle sang. Look, they are dancing. This is mango tree, this is the hollow trunk, and Captain Logo and turtle were dancing. Captain Logo and the turtle now wanted to reach home. They started walking back, but they got lost. Bunnies, bunnies, where are you? They cried. Come back and tell us how to reach home. The bunnies heard them and come to their rescue. So, who came to their rescue? The bunnies heard them and came to their rescue. The bunnies come to their rescue. They gave them the directions to follow. Can you write the directions in the language that the turtle can follow? Okay, so let us try. Turn left. It will be we will write left in a capital letter. Walk 30 steps forward. So we will write forward 30. Turn right. We'll write right. Walk 6 steps back. So we will write first back in capital letter, and then we will write 6. Turn left. We will write only left. Walk 4 steps forward. We will write first forward in capital letter. Forward 4. Then turn right. We will write right. Walk 20 steps forward. So we will write forward. Turn left. You'll reach home. Finally, the Captain Logo and the turtle reached home with the treasure. They were very happy. So you should give the clear directions. Directions should be given step by step. Very important line. The direction should be given step by step. So we have finished the chapter Directions and Logo. And look at the SW very carefully. This is the SW. Lecture SW2 submit on Sunday. The lecture will be logo, first one, chapter 5 MCQ 1. Logo, language is developed to teach dash children, infants, adults, none of this. Who named the logo language? Captain Logo, turtle, bunnies, none of this. Number 3, who came to Captain Logo and turtle's rescue? Bunnies, birds, none of these. Directions should be given step by step, shortly. Directions, none of this. The treasure is hidden in a mango tree with a dash strong, big, hollow, large, gigantic. So, there is a correction in the lecture. Can you please come? The lecture will be, lecture will be 3. So, the lecture is a correction. This is lecture 3. So, my dear students, do your assignment SW at home. You know SW is very important for you. You will have to submit all your SW copies on Sunday within 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. in the school library, and you will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 a.m. to 2 a.m. Why SW is very important? Because we will give you city mark, SB mark and diary work on the basis of the submission of the SW. Guardians or anyone else can come to school for collecting or submitting the copies. So my dear students, thank you very much for watching this video. Stay at home, keep practicing, avoid your parents, stay home, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.